Hello React Native developers, I hope you are well. William here, recording from beautiful Zurich, Switzerland. This is part 3 of us building a React Native app from scratch. And in this video, we're gonna finish to implement the slider. So we're gonna implement this little pagination animation and the welcome screen. Also, we might want to add some images here for each slide. And one thing I would like to do, this is gonna be very risky, since now we started to write some typography, use some colors, so we have some buttons and so on, I would like to try a new library to do the styling of my components, which is Restyle from Shopify. This is gonna be very risky because I just opened this page 5 minutes ago. I haven't tried it yet. The code snippet looks good. It's a friend of mine who told me about it, and I thought I would give it a shot. So I'm gonna try it out first time with you guys. I hope that sounds good. Let's have a look.
Even if I were the king.
So we are back into the code here, and so that works nicely. So here maybe we want to add some pagination indicator. Here use scroll handler is actually now implemented. So I might actually upgrade the Redash version. React Native Redash. So 2.1. And so we should have used scroll handler here, and that gives us the scroll handler and the X value, I think. So from Redash. And here we have scroll handler, which includes also the scroll event throttle. So that looks good. Let me reload that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so let's do the pagination. And so I guess we should put it here, right? Let me just have a look quickly. So let's say height 45, background color red. This one is, yeah. This one is flex row. Let me try it here. Looks good. No, that doesn't look good actually. So this one is a flex row. It has the border radius. Or should I just have it here as a position absolute with the height 45? Let's see. I started to get these double imports. It's pretty annoying. I think that looks good. And I could even do like, yeah, I think things should be good. I can just add some height of, I don't know, border radius times 2. Yeah, perfect. And so we have one little Well, let me factorize this style. So styles.pagination. Okay. And I'm lost. Okay. And so now, and we need to center everything. So justify content center, align items center. So now for each slide, we have a little thingy. So slides map index, and so we'll have, how do we call these little, how should we call this component? Dot? I don't know. Dot keys index, and we need to pass the index and the x value as parameter. Yeah, I guess should be good. Let's create this dot component. So we have index, which is a number, x, which is an animated node, or maybe I should do current index, and then I can have current index, which is, we divide x by width. Yeah. Okay. Animated from reanimated. So we have index, current index. And so it's gonna be an animated view. So background color is the primary color, which we need to factorize in a bit. It should be this one. And let's say width is 8. Border radius is going to be 4. So it doesn't display anything. Why? Okay. And so we have our components here. Why is it not showing anything? Okay. And flex row. So flex direction row. Up. Come on. So here we have our little dots. Align item centers. Justify content. Centers, it disappears. Why? That's interesting. Yes, that makes sense actually. Okay, so let's do center. I forgot that this is the total width. So actually, does it make sense? I guess it does, or I mean, it's just the subslide that needs to be of width to be width. No? I don't know, let me check. Yeah. But here we messed up the layout. Okay, it's something I'll... Oh. Something to be investigated maybe later, but so how do I get back to the... I messed up the whole design now. Damn it, what did I do? I really broke everything, didn't I? So justify content makes sense. I just need to set here the width to be width. And let me just... why did this one... I need to remove... I probably added a background white somewhere. Let me just look at the diff quickly. Wow, okay, that's super strange. Footer content. So actually, we could use flex one here. We don't transform it here, but we transform the view. animated view. So this is getting a little bit hairy, hopefully now. So that looks good, and I just need to... That looks even better. I can remove the fixed width here, and I just need to add... I can remove the flex direction row here and add it back. Sorry about that. I guess I was a bit confused about the layout, and here the width is width times slides.length plus... No, that's good. Okay, we are back. This was wild, but I think now should be much cleaner. And okay, let's animate these little guys here. So margin 8 or 4, and so we need the scale and opacity. So opacity, so we mix, so we interpolate on current index, of course, and input range goes from index -1, index +1. Output range is, so we'll have, let's say 05105. Extrapolate.clamp, yeah, I would say is quite important. So opacity and scale. So scale. Let's say 125, I don't know. Let's add it here. I like it. What do you guys think? I think that's good. Cool. Let's add some images maybe. So we can add an image to each slides. So picture. It's gonna be require. So I have assets 1.png, 2.png, 3.png, 4.png. We pass it here, picture. So it's gonna be a number here, picture. And I'm gonna have an underlay, that's good. So it's going to be a view with style underlay and an image. Source is picture. And we're going to have a style as well. We import image. So let's do underlay, style sheet, absolute fill object, and justify content. I don't know, flex end, but I'm not sure. Let's see how it goes. So flex end and then picture. Yeah, that's where it's not gonna work, unfortunately. Because, so I'm tempted to do absolute fill object with undefined and height undefined. I mean, let's just have a look and take it from there. Okay. So let's do top. Mine. I don't know, let me just try something here. Golden ratio again. Yeah, but no. And there's a couple of issues here. Why also I don't like that the picture goes outside the container. But this one might be easy to fix with overflow hidden. No. I could try to apply the same border radius. Border bottom right radius is border radius. Maybe I can also export it here. Okay. So it's not bad, but the picture is a bit too big for me. So this one looks strange also. I mean, this one as well. If we can change the size. What if I put... It's not how it works, right? I mean, I could write down... Maybe I need to hardcode the aspect ratio and do something with this. Width times 0.5. I can remove, okay. I guess I really need to have the aspect ratio for each image. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and when we slide the image here, it's gonna look weird also. That so actually it should be top border radius. So now, yeah. So here we play the trick to make it look like one container, but this is exposed through the image. But maybe we can slide only, because it's always gonna look weird, I feel like. So again, here to really hide it, we could just overlay the images on top of each other, just play with the opacity of each image. And yeah, to be revisited. And so now if we do let's get started, we can maybe go to the welcome page. So we have onboarding, and we need to create the welcome page. So just doing some boilerplate here. And it makes me realize, I mean, here also this border radius, we need it everywhere essentially, right? So is it time maybe to use Restyle? Let's try. Let me save my work here. So we're gonna install Restyle. Okay, let's do it. So we need to define the theme. That's okay. Add a theme provider. Okay, it doesn't seem too shocking. So if we go back to app, we add the theme provider. So I guess, or should we? I mean, that's fine. I guess we can put it here. So it seems to be a very similar approach than for Material UI in React Native, which I don't mind, because in Material UI, I really love how everything is done, the theming and absolutely everything. So, okay, theme provider. I don't mind at all, and we're gonna get it from the components. So, export theme from theme. So let's do a theme. Is there a way to type it? What? So I'm just wondering, can I put just anything here? That's how is that? How does it work?
Five minutes later.
Okay, spacing here, I guess that looks good. Breakpoints we don't need for now. Here, I don't know about colors. Let's start with text variants. So what kind of... We have this one, I would say, which is hero. Let's call it hero. Which probably we only use in the slides, I guess. So that would be this style. Okay. And then, so this one, 24. Is it the title? 28, so it would be title 2. So we have title 1, which is at 28. 28, okay. So we can do title 1. Font size is 28. Semi-bold. So that would be the default color, but I guess also we can factorize it somewhere else. We'll see. Then we have so title 1, title 2, 24. 24, line 8, 30. Also semi-bold. Here we have regular text. Which somehow, I mean, how is that the same color? Is this really the same color? It's not, is it? Why do I see the same color? Something, I'm missing something right here, obviously. Ah, it's with 70% opacity. Okay. Okay. So title 2, body. So font size 16, line 8. And so the color be RGBA of this value 0.7. And Okay, let's start with that. And so can I export the text component now? So I would just like to do perfect. So now we do have some type for the base theme. That's good. So breakpoints. Okay, seems happy now. So in slide, so for instance, can I just remove this one, use text from the theme? Okay. Just not resolving the import text. So, and a variant is title 1. Okay. So somehow, I guess the color needs to be... We need to add the color somewhere.
Later.
So color white, okay. Whew. So that looks good. Now let's use it also in subslide. So here, description, so text is text from component. And so variant is body. Can I center it? What kind of properties do I have here? So I just need to add an extra style anyways, I guess. I think that's fair. So style does description. So I just need to add the extra properties. And here maybe we can use a box. And so I can, this one would be title 2. So I can remove these values. Cool. Now we can also do it in the button. I'm not sure what's the best practice here, but should we use box? But the problem is that we style
2,000 years later.
I think I'm just gonna use theme values here. And so we have variant. And so here, I think I can do something like theme equals use theme. Primary. Or which I should rename to text properly. Primary. Okay. And I don't like that. So this is not type checked, is it? Doesn't seem like. So guys, this recording might not have been so interesting because there was a lot of cleanup and we discovered a completely new library. But hopefully soon we can get to, if we are harnessing Restyle properly, we can get to build the welcome and the registration screens. So I am really looking forward to talk to you soon, and in the meantime, happy hacking.